There you go.
This is the sour face man, and I'm gonna make the sour face.
Well, don't move. Hold on. You gotta take it first. You gotta eat it. You just don't drink your water. You gotta actually eat your candy. Chew it.
Yeah, I had 3 go through.
Austin's a little bit younger,
Which one's
older
Austin?
than
Oh, he's not here.
yeah, slightly older than you.
Yeah, my girls started when they were 6 at Windsor Girls Softball.
Oh, very
And
nice.
went all the way through. They very
Love
much.
it.
Does Danny play Cobra?
No, why did you wait? I couldn't do it this summer. I just couldn't pull it off. It's a great league. Don't get me
Yeah.
wrong.
Ooh, I love Kendra.
I worked with Kendra Rogers. She used to work with her. She's awesome.
Hilarious.
She's a
And
character.
Danielle.
She's a character.
And like, don't tell Kendra that.
How's that?
I'm like,
Good.
why not?
Kendra's a good.
I gave a towel.
I will.
Kind of sweet.
Is the story over?
Yeah.
Okay. So
And then
Kendra's oldest
take a drink of water.
and
Does it hurt your eyeballs?
are on varsity with
It's
Okay.
it's bloody my eyeballs.
All you know the sports people
Yes,
all the way
yes,
through,
yes.
and then I ended up working with Kendra at Constellation.